Hi, good morning everyone. I hope you are staying safe and healthy. Let me introduce myself. My name is Farah from GIIC Indonesia, and here with me, Pak Hongki, President Director of GIIC-Kota Deltamas. Hi Pak Hongki, how are you Pak?
Hi Farah, good morning everyone. My name is Hongki and I'm the President Director of Kota Deltamas. Thank you for this opportunity to discuss about Kota Deltamas development, a development that we did since 1992 and with a total of 3,200 hectares that we developed now.
Thank you, Pak. Thank you for this opportunity to do a podcast with you. So before we go into the details, let us see the video of GIIC-Kota Deltamas first.
Kami lebih dari sekedar kehidupan. Menghubungkan kebersamaan, keceriaan yang terkoneksi, koneksi pintar yang terbangun di setiap aktivitas. Lebih dari sebuah kenyamanan, buah hasil kerjasama, integritas, dan kepercayaan. Rasa kebersamaan dan keharmonisan dari setiap langkah kaki menggapai tujuan. Dengan keragaman dan efisiensi yang merupakan nilai dari sebuah estetika. Bagian dari ekosistem pintar. Menghubungkan generasi berkarya, disiplin, dan membangun dengan taraf internasional. Hidup yang saling mewarnai setiap ragam aktivitas. Nilai sebuah kebahagiaan dan manisnya kekeluargaan yang tergambar di setiap tempat.
Kota Deltamas merupakan kawasan terpadu modern antara hunian, komersial, dan kawasan industri bertaraf internasional.
Sebuah kawasan industri ramah lingkungan yang memiliki fasilitas standar internasional dan didukung oleh profesional estate management. Kepercayaan untuk melayani dan melindungi sepenuh hati dengan lengkapnya fasilitas, menunjang dan terkoneksi, layaknya pembangunan, akar fondasi kehidupan. Menghasilkan energi baik yang kami selami, kami bergerak. Kami bekerja sama membangun strategi. Bermitra membangun kepercayaan dengan standar internasional. Inovasi yang tak henti membangun hidup pintar dalam setiap kemudahan.
Siapa ya?
kami lebih dari sekedar kehidupan. Sebuah kebahagiaan yang menghidupkan Anda hari ini, esok, dan masa depan.
Kota Deltamas, Business and Lifestyle City.
Seeing from the video, it is really interesting that we have international industrial estate in Kota Deltamas. Pak Hongki, could you please explain a little bit more about GIIC Kota Deltamas, Pak?
GIIC is an international industrial estate inside of Kota Deltamas, which is an integrated modern city covering an area of about 3,200 hectares, which is also consists of residential area and commercial area that are located in central Cikarang, Bekasi district. GIIC is developed by Pura Delta Lestari Tbk, which is a joint venture between Sinamas Land and Sojitz Corporation of Japan. Sinamas Land is one of the leading property developers whose track record is no longer doubted and is listed on Singapore Stock Exchange, while Sojitz Corporation is a conglomerate company from Japan with strong networking globally, owning more than 500 companies and operating in 50 countries and listed on Tokyo Stock Exchange.
We understand that GIIC Kota Deltamas is located at the eastern part of Jakarta, Pak. But where is exactly the GIIC Kota Deltamas is located, Pak?
Right. Well, GIIC is located in Cikarang, in West Java, Indonesia. It can be accessed from the existing Cikampek toll road, from kilometer 37 from the capital city of Indonesia, Jakarta. Kota Deltamas is located in well-developed industrial area of eastern part of Jakarta, which is covered Bekasi and Karawang Regency, surrounded by pockets of residentials, which is the source of skilled educated laborers. About 3,200 manufacturing industries are already in these industrial corridors, starting from automotive and automotive-related manufacturers, FMCG, electronics, logistics, and data centers lately.
Pak Hongki, you mentioned before that GIIC can be accessed from kilometer 37, Cikarang Pusat. Is there any future toll gate or another existing toll gate that can be accessed through Deltamas, Pak?
Definitely, Ms. Farah. GIIC can be accessed also from kilometer 34, which is the existing access, neighboring to our estates. And also, under construction is a new toll road with a new access that is connected Deltamas in kilometer 31 on the southern part. So Deltamas will be sandwiched between two toll roads, and then we have both access, to those toll roads. Besides those two access that is already in operation, and then future access on the southern part in kilometer 31, we will hopefully be able to get new access in kilometer 41, which is about 4.5 kilometers away from the current access that I mentioned before in kilometer 37. So accessibility-wise, Deltamas should be much superior, and we don't have any problems with access.
How about the high-speed railway, Pak?
Well, high-speed railway station is next to us in kilometer 42.
Okay.
So it's under construction and will be finished by 2022, I believe, from the Indonesian government and the Chinese. And it is going to connect it from Jakarta to Bandung.
Okay.
And then later will be further extended to Surabaya, which is the East Java province.
I understand from the video previously mentions that Kota Deltamas is becoming an integrated township development. Could you please explain more about this development, Pak?
Sure. Before I explain to you any further, you can visit our website at www.deltamas.id for more complete information and 360 degrees experience. Let me show you on the video. We are currently in our marketing office, right? And then let me take example of the current development, which is already in 5 of the zones that we have.
Yeah.
You know, let me start with Suzuki. This is Suzuki factory, which is located in Zone A of our development.
Yeah.
Suzuki itself consists of 130 hectares development. It's already in operation. You can see, as our name says, that Greenland International Industrial Center. You know, our development is also quite green. And then look at Suzuki development already. And then right across Suzuki, there is another car manufacturers, which is Wuling. It's a joint venture between Chinese Wuling and GIIC and General Motors of USA. So they are, size-wise, it's about 60 hectares, and you can have a look at it. It's really a nice development by the Wuling Automotive from China. And they are quite successful operation in Indonesia. We also have Mitsubishi factory in our location. This is what it is. You know, Mitsubishi is also in operation since 3 years ago. And also we have Hyundai. It's under construction and then will be in operation by 2022. We have Kohler from America, and then we have Kalbe Group, which is a very successful and very big local pharmaceutical companies and food supplements. The Zone E is dedicated mostly for clean industries as well as data centers. I have explained about our industrial area. Let me explain to you about our commercial area. Now, our commercial area is about 500 hectares development, and we are in the process of developing with Ion Mall, a shopping mall of a size of about 20 hectares in our location. Ion Mall is located in our 500 hectares commercial area and will be in construction by end of 2021, and expected within 2 years it's going to be in operation. And also, if you look at our residential, this is the area for the residential. It's about 800 hectares, and we have all sort of clusters that is already developed. And besides commercial and residential, we are also developing quite the numbers of education centers. We can have a look at this. We have Japanese school, which is from the Japanese government. It's been developed since 2 years ago and in operation already. And we also have vocational schools that is in operation for more than 2 years already, and it is supporting to provide skillful laborers to all the industries inside of Deltamas and surrounding Deltamas. We also have Korean school and ITSB and Pangudi Luhur high schools. We also have within our development is the government center for the Bekasi Regency. So coordination-wise will be much easier because it is located in our development area.
We understand that there are several industrial estates in the corridor of Cikarang and Karawang. But what makes GIIC different than the other industrial estate, Pak?
All right, let me explain to you why we are unique, and we have some competitive edge over the others. Greenland International Industrial Center, or we call it GIIC, is an international industrial estate with a total development area of about 2,167 hectares. GIIC is equipped with international standards of facilities and infrastructure, such as a clean water processing facilities with double looping system in order to manage the water supply system continuously and to prevent breakdowns and disturbance to the factories within our development. So as I explained to you, that is the advantages of our water supply systems, which is loop, to prevent disturbance to the factory during operations or maintenance, right? And also, our quality of water follows the government regulations. So we manage that one very well with our expertise team. Also, we have a dedicated wastewater processing facilities. Hence, all the wastewater from the factories will go through our system, centralized systems, and we process it, and then it can be exit through our systems after that.
Sure.
Right? We have 4 WWTP already in force of the whole 2,167 hectares. Further to our advantages, we have a premium service agreement with PLN, which is the government body that supplies electricity. The uniqueness of Deltamas is that we have 2 substations from 3 power plants each that is supplying electricity to Deltamas and of course to the surrounding of Deltamas.
Sure.
But being at the perimeter of Deltamas, we have all the advantages of less disturbance and then very reliable electricity, having the premium connections. To add it up for our advantages, GIIC is also laid with 12 inches of gas supply from the government, which is the PGN. And it's already been in operation since 4 years ago. We have ample supply of gas for all the factories inside of GIIC development. And last but not least, the very strong advantages that we have currently is that we are developing a data center block or zones that we call with infrastructures to support data center players that is coming to our location. We are providing a very reliable fiber optic network that's suitable for data centers in high-tech businesses. 9 data centers has already joined us, and we expect some more to come. Sure. So the climate for data centers investment in our location is fully supported by us. We develop a special infrastructures to support data centers players coming to us. Also, because we have 2 substations from the government supply of electricity. It's the most reliable that we have. And also we have loop systems for water supply systems, which is all support the operation of data centers and provide reliable supply of facilities and utilities. On top of all the above aforementioned reasons, GIIC is also managed by a very professional estate management. Security systems is also developed by international standards and by a very well-known consultants. And we expect all to be implemented by 2022 to support the international tenants that is already coming to us. With the above mentioned facilities and utilities, and with all our advantages that we are developing, we expect GIIC to be the best industrial estates in Indonesia. So we hope to see more tenants coming in, more international tenants coming in. As the name is saying, GIIC, one of the I means international, and then we have already proven it. We have tenants all over the world joining GIIC currently. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Pak Hongki, for sharing the valuable information of GIIC Industrial Estate. We hope that GIIC becoming much more successful and especially the best industrial estate in Indonesia. Thank you very much, Pak, and please stay safe and stay healthy, Pak.
Thank you very much, Farah. Thank you very much, everyone. Warm regards from our team, GIIC team, and we hope to see you soon. We hope to give you our best service available that we can provide to you. Stay safe and stay healthy, and don't forget to put on your mask.